Zai ben yai oyai ak ere lai shiambayu shak ayasia tukumbaya na le orum ai nikaru sayeni karai alayu shuaini nakao shalambaili akwe maini anai kawe shiabao Shiniani karailuk orororo aniana koai ahai shambai moailai watikiki ni kuaile niambayu shenikoro arasierai yesierai enioroto koi sinianai karu ahishiarai ni karai no koro Siarai liandi arasai kokokokoi ni andoro tokoi ni shababayu oh bayu bayu sekoi anale akio no karai lokokokoko sini natati totokwarai haishambai okorum siale akarai Nonore tiara tukoeli aili sikikeke oyalai yeni titi ata yara yero shukuma yanai. So I'm going to be holding, this will be the third one. I can't believe it's already coming already around as another month for my group sessions. This is a free group session if you feel called to. It's on my website, links in the bio. November 2nd, I think Sunday. The last one was so beautiful, so powerful. Just grateful for all that show up and yara yala koro. And I just love when what happens with so many will start having the same visuals, same messages come through. It's so beautiful, so powerful. A lot of pyramid Egyptian energy came through that is sacral chakra. I saw a clarinet. I don't know if somebody plays the clarinet or just something about this, an instrument. We are an instrument, right? The sounds that come out of us. White rabbit, seeing a rabbit. But yeah, if you feel called to, links in the bio. It's in the events. So if you go down to where you see the appointments are at on the website, just scroll down. They're in the events section. So yes, if you feel called to, come join us. 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm sending y'all so much good energy. You are so loved. Panda bears are coming through. I love when they bring through calming energies, because normally when I come through they're very like strong. For some reason they were like gentle today. Very gentle. Be gentle with yourselves. Be gentle with yourselves. Be gentle. One love. I love you. Hope to see you there. One love.